1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Ay, ang bigat. Mabigat ito sa side.
Labas mo yun.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Up. Yan. Woo!
So, yan.
Hi mga kanoypi. So, around this time, sa wakas, meron na kaming nabiling sarili naming generator. And today, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung ano itsura. And right now, naandito siya sa aming garage. So, papakita namin sa inyo. Para mabuksan na rin natin. Okay, andito siya. This one is the generator. So, labas natin kasi mabigat siya. Pero, unlike do sa mga before, it's lighter kung tutuusin. Mas lighter pa to kaysa do sa nauna naming hiniram.
So, bubuksan na natin siya. Tagala natin itong bilhin. Tapos, nagre-rent lang kami ng generator. Mahal-mahal. Yung rent ng generator dito sa ganito kalaki. Nasa 160 hanggang 200 plus GST pa yun. Kasama. Tax pa yun. So, ito. Ito yung ang kagandahan niya, may kasama pa siyang plug.
So, hindi na kailangan yung ano?
Hindi kailangan na, hindi natin kailangan. So,
okay, so meron siyang manual. Pero alam na naman ni Daddy kung paano gamitin to.
tanggalin natin to.
Oh my God. Saglit. Di ako buwelo. Wait. Okay. Oh my God. Laki. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Ay, ang bigat. Mabigat ito sa side.
Labas mo yun.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. Yan. Woo!
So, yan.
Gosh. Wait. Wala pang laman yan, ano?
Wala pa siyang gasolina. Ito yung mga kits na meron siya.
Ang ganda. Yung hiniram namin last time, red yun eh. But this one is nice also.
Pwede siya pagganahin sa battery. So, ito may ano siya. Pwede siya sa battery. Hindi ko alam bakit ganito. Tingnan niyo yung plug niya. Saan niya yung salpak? Dito. Dito. So, dito siya. Yan. Siya dyan. Tapos, ito para sa gasolina to. Meron siyang another flag. I don't know bakit mayroon pa siyang flag na ganito. Pwede siya dyan.
Ay, palagay ko Daddy dyan yan.
Pwede siya dyan. So actually, yung flag na yan ay para yan sa yung extension na yun, yung yellow.
Ito.
Yan. So meron siyang 13.5
Liter.
na liter ng gasolina.
Oh, okay. Dyan pala yun.
Kung alam kung may laman na ba ito o wala.
Parang mabigat eh. Pero parang siguro naman wala. Kasi nasa store pa yan eh.
Walang laman. Yan, wala pa siyang laman. So lalagyan natin yan ng laman.
Tabi ko lang to. Wakali pa rin.
So, ang kagandahan nito ay pwede siyang i-remote.
Ang kagandahan nito, hindi na kami manghihiram.
So,
Malaking-
yung kanyang,
Malaking tipid. Hindi na kami magbabayad ng rent nito.
So, meron siyang remote. Yan. Para siyang sasakyan. Meron siyang remote. Pwede siyang paandarin gamit ang remote. Pwede rin siyang paandarin gamit nito. Pwede siyang paandarin gamit nito. Yan. May start button siya. Meron din siyang circuit breaker. Ito yung may dalawa siyang circuit breaker. So, pag paanda rin siya, ito yung pipindutin. Tapos, siyempre, i-testing natin to. Which is ito yan. Yan. Ang tatlo.
So, ito, para saan to, Dad?
So, ito, para to doon sa ito ay ito yan. Actually, ito ay yun.
Aha.
Yun. So,
Pa-straight lang ito. Pero the same lang siya.
Hello, Chris.
Hi!
Good, how about you? Yeah, we buy
Yeah.
a new one. So we're not renting anymore.
Good on you, mate. Well done. That's a decent size one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the 3 phase.
Remember last time when we have a problem when
Oh,
we...
yeah. Yeah. No, that's good, eh? That's a good
Yeah.
one.
So this one is... Hopefully it will work fine because it's really built for this, for the trailer.
Oh, okay. That's a really
This is
decent.
32 ampere.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is 32.
Yeah, so 3 phase is 6,000. Bloody hell.
And look at that, we have
Beauty.
this one too. That's free.
Oh, that's,
And
that's a good
I
one.
have it already, so I don't need this.
Oh,
actually.
that's good to have.
Yeah,
That's a beauty.
that's an extra. Akin na.
And it will run with a remote. It's you can use a remote also.
Oh, wow.
So you can use a remote or you can start it with
That's a
that.
good one.
Or you can start there. So 3 ways to
Start it.
start it.
Very cool. What's an inverter generator? That's a beauty. I see she run DC as well. Yeah, AC and DC. She's got some power.
Yeah, yeah.
Bloody hell. Man,
I think this is good.
that's a beauty, all right? Oh, that's a really good one.
Hopefully it's a good runner, right? And it's lighter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
No, that'll be
lighter
fine.
and it's
It's good.
easier.
Oh, yeah.
It's easier to-
Nicely on wheels.
Mm.
Really well done. You won't know yourself. Cool.
So yeah, I think it should be 6,200 for like for a 32
32 amp. Yeah, that's
Power,
that's
but-
plenty.
it will run with 5200 already.
Oh,
So
wow.
I think it's fine.
So when
Yeah,
the lights
this
go
is-
out, I know where to, when the lights go out here, I know where to come.
This is so this is 32. So
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, 32 amp.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got
I
some.
think it's safe.
She's got some boogie.
Yeah.
What do you need to run all your equipment?
Sorry.
How much power do you need to run all your equipment?
That's actually 32 also.
Yep.
But the wiring on that one is 250.
Oh, yeah.
So it's good for this. It
Yeah.
can handle this one.
Cool.
Unlike, I think last time when we have a problem with the first generator, it's actually replaced with a new generator and it's totally the same.
Yeah.
So I think the problem
Ah.
is actually the generator itself.
Yeah.
Because when we tried to power it up and like use the heat gun only,
Yep.
it's not working.
Oh,
Yeah, so when I replaced it,
it's a powerful
flat,
generator, that one.
yeah, it worked.
Bloody hell.
And yeah, that's the shit show on that one because the solar dispenser did not work well, so
Oh,
it
yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
fold up.
Yep.
So it's just
It'll work, mate. You'll be fine.
shit, you know. So I'm like, nah, we have to sort it out. We have to buy our own.
Yeah, no, good idea. And in the long run,
Yeah,
it'll save you money.
Yes.
that's what I mean. Like,
You guys do fine.
Hmm.
I won't be there this weekend. I'm going to be hunting. I'm going chasing hunting deer.
wow.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why he's got this hunting and fishing.
Yeah. I used to work. I flew airplanes for 40 years, right?
Yeah,
And but before that, I hunted deer for a living.
yeah. Look at our son. He's just taking videos.
You'll do that.
Thanks.
All right. So
Catch you on
yeah,
later.
we will sort it out.
You'll be
We,
fine.
we are sorting out also that trailer. So I think when we go back there, it's ready for everything.
Good.
We will not go back there until the cap is arriving, just to make sure that we're planning to like adjust the pricing. We will bring it down, and the cap's going bigger.
What the guys are asking for is Filipino chicken, where you guys do your spiced chicken.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
You know the reason why I don't cook spicy chicken is most of the people here don't eat spicy chicken.
I do.
You do.
Right?
Well, at least I know because I love spicy.
Oh, me too. I love spicy food.
I can give you some.
I live in East Africa.
Ah,
And man, Ethiopia and Somalia and Djibouti, where I was, and
Yeah,
even
yeah.
Kenya, all spice.
right.
Really
Oh.
hot.
Right. Maybe when we go back there, I have to sort it out. I have to make spicy and not spicy.
Yeah, the guys like spice. Yeah.
Yeah. Just to make sure that everyone get what they want. Yeah.
Hmm.
Right. Fine. Hey, it's just the beginning. Eh? It's a good
Yeah.
place to be though
Yeah.
on Saturday and Sunday
Mm.
because there's a lot of people coming. And as Chris said to me yesterday, you guys do well because there's no one else there. No one else like that doing that round there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I actually want to talk to the manager of Bunnings,
Yeah. Oh yeah. His name's Ryan.
Ryan.
Yeah, I'll give you his number if you want it.
Mm.
You want me to give you-
Yeah. You can.
Yeah.
You can.
Have
You
you got a
can
phone?
give it to me.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I just. Yeah. I know everybody.
So it's what's his name? Ryan.
Ryan. Hang on. I'll just get his phone number for you.
You can pause.
His
Oh,
name
two.
is.
Wala ka ng ano, daddy? Okay na yan?
Ano. So
Okay.
okay na yan.
Aha.
So mga kanoy pe, yung nakita nyo na bisita natin biglang
Ah,
dumating,
yung
yung kapitbahay namin si Phil.
si Phil.
Mm.
Yeah,
So,
so
tinutulungan kami ni Phil na makapwesto
Oo.
sa kanilang company. So nakausap namin yung boss ni Phil at saka yung manager nila at pinayagan kami na magpwesto doon sa kanilang establishment.
oo,
Which
mababait
is
sila.
Actually for free, walang bayad.
Walang bayad.
Surprisingly, mga kanoypi, walang bayad.
Oo.
Walang hinihingi na bayad.
Ang maganda, hindi
At saka
niya.
hindi lang yon, yung kinuhanan tayo ng video
Oo.
doon mismo sa site. Kasama kasi nag-testing na kami doon, nagtinda kami on
Mhm.
Saturday. Kinuhanan
Trial.
ng video yung aming trailer habang nagtitinda kami. At in-advertise din nila mismo sa kanilang Facebook page, which is North Shore Hunting and Fishing.
Sa North
So,
Shore.
yeah. So, ito na mga kanoypi. Ito yung pinapangarap natin na mabuo.
Yes.
So, yan.
So, a little more fixing din sa iba pang mga equipments sa trailer. And I think we'll be good. Wait na lang talaga nung talagang packaging. So, we can really finalize also the pricing. So, ano, Dad?
Yan.
Yan na?
Tanggalin ko na to.
So, yep. So, that's it for now, mga kanoypi. So, please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aming channel. Noipi
Noipi ng New Zealand.
ng New Zealand. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Wala lang, ma'am.